on, you big fat.
Oh my God. What are you gonna do?
You don't fucking believe this, do you?
Oh God, what are you gonna do to me?
No, I asked you a goddamn question. He asked you a goddamn...
Yeah, I believe it, yeah. Yeah.
You don't think the FBI has its place under 24-hour surveillance? You don't think there's transmitters in all these walls?
The FBI knows.
Let me ask you one question. Are you having fun yet?
Oh God, no.
Because I promise you, you and I are gonna have some fun.
Oh no, no more, please. No.
What's my fucking name?
No, no.
What is this?
I don't know.
What is
I don't
it?
know. Oh no. No, ow. Oh God, no.
You don't know?
No.
Shit, do you?
No.
Do you think all I want to do is kill you?
I don't know.
You goddamn right you don't.
Why don't you just try to relax a bit, honey? I know it's hard.
Why don't you mind your fucking business? Look at this fucking door.
The woman's a whore, and there's an end on it. That's Samuel Johnson.
Oh, take it on out of here. Now. Don't you let him get to you, because that's what he wants.
Will you please tell me what all this is for?
Well, you'll have to ask Vilmer that. But if you ask me, I think this son of a bitch is from outer space.
Oh God, what are you gonna do?
No? What are you gonna do?
Don't hurt her.
Give her a kiss.
How could I hurt a pretty face like this?
But then, I am in the mood for love.